How to conduct an organizational health assessment. A healthy organization is one that operates efficiently, adapts to change, and fosters a productive work culture. An organizational health assessment, OHA, is a diagnostic tool that helps businesses identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. In this lesson, we will explore how to conduct an OHA and leverage its insights to enhance performance and long-term success. What is an organizational health assessment? An organizational health assessment evaluates critical factors such as leadership, culture, structure, and employee engagement. The goal is to provide a data-driven snapshot of how well an organization functions and to pinpoint areas that need improvement. A strong organizational health strategy leads to increased employee engagement and satisfaction, better decision-making and leadership effectiveness, enhanced adaptability to market changes. Key components of an organizational health assessment. 1. Leadership and vision. Does leadership communicate a clear mission and vision? Are leaders effective in decision-making and team motivation? 2. Company culture and values. Do employees align with and believe in company values? Is there a culture of trust, collaboration, and innovation? 3. Employee engagement and morale. Are employees motivated and satisfied with their roles? How do employees perceive communication, recognition, and growth opportunities? 4. Structure and processes. Does the organizational structure support efficiency and agility? Are processes streamlined or do inefficiencies slow productivity? Performance and execution. Are business objectives consistently met? How well do teams collaborate and adapt to challenges? Steps to conduct an organizational health assessment. Step 1. Define your goals and scope. Determine what aspects of organizational health you want to measure. Set clear objectives such as improving team collaboration or enhancing leadership effectiveness. Step 2. Gather data from multiple sources. Conduct employee surveys to measure engagement and satisfaction. Hold one-on-one interviews with leadership and team members. Analyze performance metrics to identify productivity trends. Step 3. Analyze and identify trends. Look for patterns in survey results and feedback. Identify recurring themes in communication breakdowns, leadership gaps, or cultural disconnects. Step 4. Develop an action plan. Address key problem areas with targeted solutions. Improve leadership training, restructure teams, or adjust workflows based on assessment results. Step 5. Implement changes and monitor progress. Communicate findings transparently with employees. Regularly track progress and refine strategies as needed. Case studies, organizational health assessments in action. Microsoft's cultural transformation. Conducted an organizational health check after leadership changes. Shifted from a competitive internal culture to a collaborative, learning-focused environment. Zappos employee engagement strategy. Used assessments to improve workplace culture and job satisfaction. Focused on team empowerment and value-driven leadership. Toyota's continuous improvement model. Regularly assesses organizational health to refine production systems. Uses employee feedback loops to drive process efficiency. Final thoughts. An organizational health assessment is a powerful tool for ensuring long-term success. By evaluating leadership, culture, engagement, and processes, companies can identify challenges early, improve efficiency, and build a resilient workplace. Regular assessments help businesses stay competitive and adaptable in a rapidly changing world. In the next lesson, we will explore how to design performance metrics and KPIs to track organizational success.